This unicorn Beetle grip case feels purpose-built for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, with precise cutouts that respect the folding design and do not add awkward bulk. The hybrid construction of flexible material around the edges and a rigid back, plus reinforced corners, gives the phone a genuinely rugged, military-grade level of drop and scratch protection without feeling brick-heavy. Built-in strong magnets keep MagSafe accessories and wireless chargers aligned reliably, so you can snap it onto magnetic chargers or mounts without fussing over placement. The metal hinge stand is a standout feature, propping the phone at comfortable fixed angles for horizontal viewing or vertical calls, which makes the Flip much easier to use hands-free. A front glass layer with high hardness and high clarity protects the external display from scratches and drops, while keeping touch response and image quality very close to a bare screen. The textured sides and lanyard option noticeably improve grip and security in the hand, which is especially reassuring on a slim, slippery folding phone.